Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start right away by confirming essentials. Make sure Mac OS is supported and you have an Apple ID signed into the App Store. Once done, don't stall, press Command Space to open Spotlight, type Xcode and hit Return to launch immediately. Alternatively, open Launchpad or Finder applications and double-click Xcode. If the app isn't present, open the App Store and begin downloading. This is why you checked free space. Remember, a fast connection speeds this up. If Xcode wasn't installed, search the App Store, click Get or Update, and watch the progress bar. Use the Purchases tab to resume interrupted downloads. Once installation finishes, open Xcode. You'll be prompted to accept the license and allow it to install additional components, so click through those prompts. Make sure to install command line tools by running Xcode select install in terminal if you need compilers or Git in the shell. These steps complete the middle setup and prepare projects to build. Now finish by creating a new project from the Welcome window or choose File Open to load an existing Xcode Proj or XC workspace. Once opened, set preferences for locations, components, and accounts to manage simulators and signing. Build and run on a simulator or device to confirm success. If Xcode fails to open, try restarting your Mac first. If that fails, reinstall from the App Store or run sudo xcode select, reset in terminal to repair command line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.